Hello everyone, in this video, we'll be discussing how to sign up for an account on KuCoin, a popular cryptocurrency exchange that offers a wide range of trading options. We'll also be providing you with a referral link to sign up for an account, which you can find in the description and comments section of this video. Signing up for a KuCoin account. To sign up for an account on KuCoin, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Visit the KuCoin website and click on the Sign Up button at the top right-hand corner of the screen. Step 2. Enter your email address and create a strong password. Step 3. Agree to the terms and conditions and click on Sign Up. Step 4. Complete the Know Your Customer verification process by providing your personal information, such as your full name, date of birth, and address. Step 5. Set up two-factor authentication, 2FA, to add an extra layer of security to your account. Step 6. Once your account has been verified, you can deposit funds and start trading on KuCoin. KuCoin also offers a referral program that rewards you for inviting your friends to join the platform. To participate in the referral program, simply share your referral link with your friends and family. When someone signs up for an account using your referral link and completes the required trading volume, you'll receive a referral bonus. That's it for today's video on how to sign up for an account on KuCoin. Don't forget to use our referral link in the description and comments section of this video to sign up for an account and take advantage of the KuCoin referral program. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!